Hello friends. This duster is designed to clean a blackboard and collect the dust without spreading it inside a classroom. The frame is prepared with 4mm thickness white sunboard. Let's test it. We have to hold it and place it vertically. It is working fine. This emerging portion or bulging corner is intentionally made to erase a letter or a word in between a sentence or paragraph. Let's open it for its internal view. There is a gear motor, a power source, and 3 cranks. I have made a strong base and frame for the motor by cutting and joining sunboard. It is a 12-volt, 100 revolutions per minute DC gear motor. Here is the feathered belt. I have extracted it from roller brush and stitched carefully by hand. For the roller axis, I have cut the same rod of roller paint handle. I have cleaned and cut the same pipes and covered with latex balloons for better grip. There are 3 lithium-ion batteries in series and a battery management system. A 12-volt, 2-ampere AC to DC adapter is better for charging. I have used a piece of metal blade to wipe out the dusts from the feathered belt. It works like this. I have fitted it very closer to the belt, keeping in mind that the blade shouldn't stop the belt by applying more resistance. Here a 100 nanofarad polyester capacitor is necessary, which is connected in parallel with the motor when the switch is on. Otherwise, motor stops even after the switch is on, and there is always a starting problem. Here is the dust chamber. We can remove the collected dust easily